Hi guys, in Discord there are two ways to add friends. The first one is to add friends from server. So let's go, let's say to Midjourney, find user we wish to add to friend, click on their username and click on this icon which is named add to friend. Now the user receives the friend request and they must approve this request to appear on our friend list over here. You can click on friends at the top and see your pending request, sent and received as well. The second way to add friend is to add by username. So username is actually this Discord tag under displayed name. So if you know somebody's username, you can click on add friend over here. Make sure you are in direct messages. So add friend, enter the username and send friend request. And it appears in pending. Also, if somebody sends you friend request, you need to appear this friend request if you wish, and it will also be in pending. Guys, that's pretty it. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.